is an introduction to stoichiometry and how to solve stoichiometry problems. So first we need to know what stoichiometry or stoic is. Stoichiometry is essentially the math behind chemical reactions. Really, it's the process to determine either how much product we make or how much reactant we need. Because remember, products are what are formed in a chemical reaction and reactants are what are at the beginning of a chemical reaction. And so in order to solve stoichiometry problems, we need a balanced equation. So we're going to pull in information from prior units and put everything together to solve stoichiometry problems. So when we solve stoichiometry problems, there are 4 steps that we need to go through every single time we solve a stoichiometry problem. And the first step is to write a balanced equation. So make sure the equation, if you're given an equation, make sure that it's balanced. If you're given coefficients in front of the reactants or in front of the products, it's probably already balanced. The second step is to convert whatever you're given to moles. So if you are given 5 moles, you don't have to convert. If you're given 20 grams, you need to convert grams to moles. So the second step is to convert your given quantity to moles. The third step is to use the mole ratio to convert from one substance to another. So the mole ratio is really important because this allows us to convert between substances. So we can actually convert between different substances using the mole ratio. Now it's really important to remember that to get the mole ratio, we look at the coefficients from the balanced equation, because the coefficients from the balanced equation give us the ratio of one substance to another. And finally, the fourth step is to convert to the desired unit. So if it asks you to go to grams, the final step is going to be to convert to grams. So every single time that you solve a stoichiometry problem, write the balanced equation, convert your given to moles, use the mole ratio to convert between substances, and then convert to the desired unit. Now, whenever you work through stoichiometry, make sure when you're doing the conversions that you label with the unit and the substance and cross out whatever cancels. That will help you as you're going through these problems.